Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Larry and thanks for watching and subscribing. We appreciate all y'all guys out there that follow us. And today what we're going to be doing is we got a big old post oak log here sitting up on the sawmill that we want to make a couple of slabs out of. One of my fireplace mounts and another couple of boards just for shelving. But we want to show y'all what this old homemade sawmill does and how she cuts. She's going to shake, rattle, wiggle, and roll, but she'll get the job done. Old homemade job. Mostly out of scrap iron that we had. Built this thing 3 or 4 years ago. Got a bunch of other videos out there of the same sawmill running. And we're in the process of building another new one. It's in the shop, about 80% done, and we'll get you some videos on that as well. But yeah, let's see what this old sawmill is going to do with this big old post oak. This stuff is harder than you know what. And we done made about 40 cuts on that blade, so probably going to be a little treacherous on us cutting it, but we're going to get it done. Now that's about 22 inches wide. You see the sawmill didn't go real fast through it, but we got a used blade on there. Post oak is very, very hard, especially this stuff here been grinding for so long. So you're gonna zoom in on them grains there. The grain. Isn't that a fantastic grain pattern in there? Isn't that just beautiful? Nice creamy edge along the sides, bark on both sides. Beautiful figuring. Give me 1 second here, I want to put it in the water. Let's see if I can grab some water here real fast. Alright guys, here we go. We're fixing to fire this old sawmill up. Now she's gonna shake, rattle, and roll like I said earlier. We're gonna have to do this by ourselves on a tripod. The wire's busy again this morning bathing all the dogs before we take them to the vet and get their trifexis and stuff like that and checkups. As I mentioned, we shelter a few animals here, and we've got 5 rescues, so they are our family. Normally one of them's out here running around with me, and she's over there right now. She's looking for her ball, but she ain't quite found it yet. I got it hidden because I know if I get it for her, she'll be over making a lot of noise. So right now I'm just going to try to shoot you this video and let you see how we're going to cut this old piece of post oak and what it's going to turn out like. So I'll probably shoot part of the video and then I'll have to stop the sawmill and then run over here and move the camera, but that's just the way it is. So here we go. Stay tuned. Put some water on this situation here so the blades stay cool. Crank this old thing up here so she'll start. Well, we got through that phase of it. Now let's see what the wood actually looks like. Now we got a little water. Let's put a little water on there and see if we can make that grain pop a little bit. Well, can you imagine what that stuff would look like? Put a good stain on it, a good natural color stain. The post oak doesn't have any red or anything in it. I'm sure got some fantastic grain patterns. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. I'm going to put some of the stain on some of this stuff here. Shoot a little video before and after. Thanks for watching.